So we looked at the study at people who had used only in adolescence to see if there was some difference between those people who had used during adolescence and those who hadn't in terms of later, when they're older, the brain and cognition. And the answer was no. There was no negative effect and potentially some positive effect, right? The people who 30 years later, 40, 50 years later, they seem to be actually have better cognition and better gray matter volumes, right? And again, we've also looked at this going back now 10 years in other papers, and we did not find any negative impact of adolescent cannabis use in terms of the brain. And when we looked at some meta-analyses, we also found that if you combine all the studies, you really don't have much of an effect there, So I think individual studies can find negative effects in adolescence. When you combine all the data, it's not as clear.